We're on Highway 219 heading towards Chaiyaphum for our first stop of the day. We got up early this morning to get on the road and we started out at 5 o'clock. We've made our first stop here now at Cafe Amazon, the PTT gas station, and the toilets. We've been on the road for about 2 hours already. We started our drive in the dark at 5 a.m. today. I would not recommend that in Thailand. You can't see. The roads are so dark and there's so much traffic coming, you can't use your bright lights. So I wouldn't recommend leaving before daylight in Thailand. We're used to it in America, but it didn't work here.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
In the dirt. 2 lanes on the far right side, the opposite direction, are complete. I think only 1 lane. And everything else is under construction. They must have got really beaten badly in the bad winters that forces them to do it this way.
Co-driver. Very big.
Okay, looks like we're going to share the new highway now, the new road.
Oh, that side is big, huh?
Oh,
Big, huh?
yeah, when they get it done, it's going to be a nice big highway here.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll drive on it again at some point. It's just not the next.
We are in Chaiyaphum province on Rural Road 409.
School zone in 200
บ้าน
meters.
โพน้อย
So you got to be prepared for some real rural roads in your travels.
Yeah, reduce speed 30 kilometer is school zone.
School kids in the road.
Go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll
shit, there's no way you got time, dude. What are you doing? Shit, I can see from here he didn't have, that guy had to go in the dirt. That guy had to go in the dirt to avoid that dumbass passing.
Have like a sugar cane. They horn sugar cane.
He's flashing lights like, where are we going to go? That's why I want somebody else in front of me. That's okay with me. See, this is a big curve. There was no reason that guy should have been passing.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
We're in Chaiyaphum now. And we stopped at another PTT gas station. And of course, most of them, if not all, have Amazon Copy and a 7-Eleven. But this one also has places where you can get food outside as well. And lunch for us came from, our lunch came from this place here. Jai is still eating. Jai is finishing up her meal right now. And we're going to go visit her friend Fern here in town. I'm not sure what we're going to do from this point on. And I'll continue on with the video as we go.
Today we come here for visit P Fern and Kun Lung Bobby here. P Fern's house very beautiful.
It's awkward driving on the wrong side of the road.
P Fern Hi
Hi
คุณลุงชื่ออะไร
Hola
Hi
in the video no? Yeah.
okay
Yeah. Oh.
We made about a 5.5-hour drive to get here today. And through mountain roads that were really winding and dangerous. People passing where you can't see, and
แบ็คกราวด์ไม่สวยเลยเสือ
Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in. My lungs are filled with too much pain. All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving, they held me in my sleepless nights. And I'm drowning in the noise like a free fall. Walking along my path for too long. Save myself from the visions in my mind. Save myself from the war I have to fight. And I can take it all away. All of my dreams are fading. Save myself from the visions in
นาเรสอร์ท
Okay, we'll let you see what we get when we get in there.
yeah
This is a nice place. I guess you can order your food and come out here in these little bungalows and eat. We'll find out. We just got here. Kind of cool. Well, being not cafe, I'm glad we came here. It's very nice. All kinds of neat places where you can order your food and eat. They have at times a live band here as well. And a really nice stage. Nice sound system. Welcome to Rabiegna Cafe, Rabiegna Gardens, and open daily from 10 to 2200. Enjoy your trip. Have a nice day.
this very interesting นี่เมียมาเที่ยวกับพี่ไปค่ะ You sneak
Well, it
out,
might be interesting
from
to
here.
you. I can't read any of it.
Yeah, you sneak out, come like a sneak out from here, come here.
Oh, this is the bandstand they have up here, the stage. They have an incredible sound system. Look at all the speakers, and they're all up on top and around the whole building. I'd like to hear somebody up here playing. This is Chaiyaphum Thailand, which is fried rice, seafood fried rice. And goes without saying, shrimp.
Shrimp,
And this is,
ผัดไทยห่อไข่
that looks kind of cool.
Yeah, so
I haven't
cute.
seen pad thai like that. It looks nice.
And
And this is, apparently it's a salad with shrimp. All looks really good.
เรามีกับข้าวก่อนนะ
This is a pretty awesome looking fish platter. It's got snails and shrimp on it. And I don't know what that salad looking thing is. What is that?
เขาเขียนอะไรไว้
It's like a crab salad, I think.
ไข่ถาดพงพริกถาดพงพริกนะพี่นะ
Okay, we had an enjoyable day today. We started out before daylight this morning, and obviously it's already after dark now, and we're still finishing up our day. So we're going to close out the video here for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this. This is Bobby and Jai. It's time to get going. We're out. Oh, please like and subscribe.